Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today is day 9 of our yarn advent calendar and Phoebe's treat baggies, and she is about to go absolutely nuts wanting her treat already. She knows when I set this up, it is treat time. I'm telling you, we're going to be in trouble come January. Okay, Phoebe, you ready for your treat? Are you ready for your treat? Come over here. Here we go. Here we go, Phoebe. Oh, goodness. Goodness, girl. Oh, Phoebe's. Here, girl. She has something else. I don't know what in the world we're going to do come February when she expects her a treat every day. Alright, let's see if I can find my baggie. I see it. Okay, so here is day 9 for my little bag. And let's see. Okay. And here is a ball of yarn. It's kind of white and turquoise. I was trying to see if I could tell what yarn it is. I don't know. I don't know that I've ever had yarn like this before. It's got some turquoise and white and a little bit of navy blue or darker blue in there. But it's really some pretty colors on in there. That'll make a nice little stocking. Alright, and then the other thing in there was a little white, a white chocolate Twix bar. Cool. I'll have to put that over there for later. Okay, so I have some cards that I wanted to share with you all. I'm just loving getting these cards and putting them on my door. And this one is from Barbara. Barbara. It's about happy holidays. Save the Manatee Club. Worthy cause. It's a cute card. Barbara is from Florida. So, that's awesome. You see the blue hair in there. Huh. Wow. It's a manatee zone, slow speed, minimum wake, includes all canal and creek systems. I like that. Wishing you a wonderful holiday season filled with peace, love, and joy. And then she wrote a little message in here that she just got some looms. Yay! Well, I look forward to looming with you, Barbara. Thank you for the card. I'm going to add it to the door here in just a little bit. Put it on this side so I'll know to put it on here. And then I got a card from Carrie Penny. It says Jingle All the Way. And Carrie makes her cards. I don't know where she finds time to do that. Plus, she just moved into a new home. She's still trying to organize her house, decorate for Christmas. And then in the midst of all that, she's going to make her Christmas cards. You the woman, Carrie Penny. And on the inside it said, have a holly jolly Christmas, and then a heart and Carrie Penny. Thank you, Carrie. I appreciate that so much. It's a nice card. You did an excellent job on that. Okay, Phoebe, there's nothing else over there, baby. And then I have a card from Yarn Happens. And so I see her commenting and on my excuse me. I see her commenting on my channel and other channels. It's above a bird, I guess a dove, that's what I was gonna say, with peace, and then it says joy. It's really pretty. It says, wishing you every joy at this wonderful time of year. And then she wrote a little message and signed it Yarn Happens. And she added a little something on the inside. And it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a little llama. I guess it's meant to be an ornament, but it's going to hang by my desk year-round. That is so cute. I just love it. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And I'm going to put my card over here so I can hang it up. And I received a couple more things today. They just happened to come just before I turned on the camera. I'm so sorry about my cough. I have super, super bad acid reflux, and I am up all night with it, and during the day too. And it's not food related because I can eat nothing and still have reflux. And so I was up at 6 this morning. I won't go into details, but it was bad, and my throat still burns and is still raw from that. Okay, so I received 2 packages. One is from Cindy, and she sent first these little llama gloves. Aren't those just adorable? Thank you so much, Cindy. That was very thoughtful. Those are so cute. I just love that. So some llama gloves, and then she sent this poof, and I assume it's a bath poof. Correct me if I'm wrong, Cindy, but that's awesome. I love that. Okay, and the other thing Cindy sent is just beautiful. It's beautiful, and I'm just like in love with this. Look at this llama. And I was so glad it did not get damaged at all in the box on the way, because this is breakable, but it survived beautifully. Look at that. I just love it. Oh my gosh. It will sit over here. Oh, please don't knock that off. It will sit right up here probably, so I can look at it really good. Thank you, Cindy. I appreciate that so very much. And then I got another package from Carla with a nice letter and a recipe. And so I appreciate that so much. But let me just show you. Back when in her letter, she explains back when I first was learning to crochet, I mentioned that I went and looked at some videos or patterns or whatever of the virus shawl and such from like Spider Fiber and some others, and I was like, I'll never be able to do that. And so anyway, she made me one. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just can't believe this. Look at this. Look at this beauty. And this purple is so soft. It is. It is so soft. And then she put this bright, colorful border on it, which is so me. It's just so me right there. I love it. I love it. It's nice and large. I did wrap it around me earlier, and it was plenty of big enough to just wrap around and snuggle up in. So I love this so much. And this is so soft. Like, I could not believe how soft this is. You'll have to tell me what yarn this is, because it is like really, really soft. But I appreciate this so, so much, Carla. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you to Cindy and everyone who sent cards. I just appreciate them so very much. And I'll show you how my door is looking over here. I'll go easy. So you can see I have my cards hanging up there and my 8 little stockings. So today, and I'm actually covered up one card that's right here. Today I will be making my nice little stocking and hanging these cards up. And I just appreciate that so much. Thank you so much. That touches my heart. You just don't know. But anyway, moving along, I did read Luke 9, and I just wanted to say this real quick. And there it said, that Jesus fed like 5,000 people with some fish and bread, he's still feeding the people today. Come on, Phoebe, get over here. He is still feeding the people today, because let me just tell you what happened to me. This was so out of the blue, so weird. This past week, I made a mistake that cost us extra that we should not have had to pay, but it was a mistake that I made. I felt so guilty about it. I mean, I cried and cried because I was mad at myself. And so I was crying for it because because of me, we had to pay this extra money, a late fee. And so, it come out of my grocery money, what I had to pay. And so I run by the grocery store and I picked up milk, eggs, butter, and maybe some pasta, just a couple little things. I mean, things that I was hoping to put with things we already had to get us through for 2 weeks. I didn't buy any meat, and I didn't even know what meat we had in the freezer. I asked Elijah, did we have any, because I usually buy a big bag of chicken breast. I asked him, do we have any of that left? Because it had been several weeks since I had bought a bag. So I knew it was probably getting low. And he said he had no idea how many was in there. He didn't think it was that many. And he said, I know we only have one hamburger meat. And so I just, was really, really short on my grocery money. And so I just bought the few little necessities that I absolutely knew we were out of, like, toilet paper, laundry soap, dishwashing liquid, and stuff like that, And we're just going to make do. And, that's perfectly fine. We made do before, we make do again. I wasn't stressing over it. And so, but yesterday I went to go lay down. And right after I went and laid down, all the dogs just started going crazy, barking. So I knew someone was here, but, I figured it was somebody asking for directions or something, because people get lost down here in the WMA. And so Dakota come in there and said, there's a wildlife agent here, and he needs to talk to you, and he needs you to sign for something. And I'm just like, what? Why does he need me? He said he asked for you. And I was just like, how does he even know me? I mean, really? So I get up and I come in here to the door, and there's a wildlife agent here, and he has this box sitting on my doorsteps, and he said, would you like some deer meat? And I was like, well, sure. Yeah. And so he said, your sign right here. I need your telephone number, and let me write down your information and sign right here, and it's yours. If you have a place to put it, it's yours. And I was just like, okay, I've lived here 29 years, and this has never happened before. Never. And so he said that someone did something they weren't supposed to do, and they can't keep the deer meat, and so he's giving it out. And so he gave us a box of deer meat. It is ground and packaged into hamburger meat. They had it processed and everything. I was blown away. I was just like, what? This has never happened before, And I've lived here for 29 years. A wildlife agent that's never been over here. So, Jesus still feeds the people today. I'm still in shock about it. I called my husband at work and I said, a wildlife agent just came and dropped off a box of hamburger meat, deer hamburger meat. And he was like, what? What'd they do that for? And I said, I don't know. They just brought it. I mean, didn't have an answer. I don't know what happened. And he was like, well, did you tell him thank you? I'm like, well, of course. So he said that he was gonna write a letter also. But anyway, that was just very touching, very unexpected, and you can tell I'm still just kind of in shock about it. Like, how did this even come about? How did he even know my name? Because when he came to the door, he asked for Kayla Miller, and so and he said that I had to sign for it. I have no idea. But anyway, yes, Jesus still feeds the people today. And I'm very thankful. All right, guys, I'm going to get on off of there. I got other things to do, but I hope you all have a great, blessed day. Phoebe is trying to teleport to me that she needs more treats or something. Oh, my girl. All right, I'll talk to y'all again soon. Thanks.